friends, welcome to Smrita English Academy. So today I will share with you on another video. This video I will talk about how to remember words. So if you are new here, please do subscribe Smrita English Academy. Okay friends, so if you are learning new things, new words is very important. It helps us talk to people, read book and understand things better. But sometimes it is hard to remember new words. Okay friends, so I will share some tips that can help you remember words easily. First, when you learn a new word, say it out loud. This helps your brain remember the sound of the words. You can say the word many times. For example, if the word is apple, you can say apple, apple, apple. This will help you remember it. Next, write the word down. Writing helps us remember better. You can write the word is a notebook. You can also make a flashcard. Okay friends, you know what is the flashcard? I will tell you in this video. Okay. So, on one side write the word and one other side you can write the meaning. Look the flashcard every day. This will help you remember the words. Okay. Another tips is to make a sentence with a new card. The example is if the word is apple, you can say I like to eat an apple every day. Making sentence help you understand. Okay. How to use the word? It also help you remember. The word you can also draw a picture of the word. Drawing help your brain remember better. If the word is apple, draw a picture in an apple. Okay. So if you want to say apple, you can drawing, you can make a flashcard, you can read every day. Look at the picture and say the word. This is help you remember it. Try to use the new words in your daily life. If you learn the word apple, try to use it when you talk to people. You can say I bought an apple today, or do you like apple? Using the words help you remember it. Remember is also very important. Read books, magazines and newspaper also. When you see a new word, write it down. Look up meaning, try to remember it. Okay. This idea very helpful for you. Also, you can reading help you see how words are used in sentence. It help you remember them better. Listening is also helpful. Listen to song, watch movie or listen to people talking. When you hear a new words, write it down. Look up meaning. Try to remember it. Listening help you hear how words are pronunciation. It help you remember them. Practice is very important. Practice every day. Spend some time every day to learn new words. Review the words you have to learn. This helps your brain remember better. Okay friends. So, whatever you write down, you read out loud. Okay? And you can draw picture. Now, I will tell you a story about a boy. His name Tom. Tom wanted to learn new words. He found it very hard to remember them. Okay. One day his teacher gave him some tips. She told him to say the word out loud, write it down, make sentence, draw pictures, use the word in daily life, read, listen and practice every day. Tom followed his teacher tips. Okay. He said the word out loud. He wrote them down, he made sentence and he draw picture also. Okay friends, noted. So he used to word when he talking to people. He read books, he listen to song, he practice every day. Soon Tom started to remember the words. He was very happy. He could talk to people better. He could read books better. He was very proud himself. Okay. So remember Learning new words is important. Say the word out loud, write them down, make sentence, draw pictures. Okay? Use the words in daily life. Read, listen, practice every day. These tips will help you remember words better. So, whatever doing Tom, his teacher, whatever saying, Tom is doing like that. So, he is better. So, I will tell you another thing that can help is connect to new words to something you already know. Okay? For example, if you learn the word banana, think about the last time you ate banana. This connection help your brain remember the words better. You can make a little story your mind with words. Okay, this makes it easier to remember. It is also helpful to learn words in a group. For example, if you are learning about fruits, learn about like apple, banana, orange and grapes together. Okay friends, so when you learn words that are relatable, is it easier to remember them. Your brain like to make connection and this helps remember better. Teaching someone else is also a good way to remember words. When you teach a new words to a friend, you use word in a sentence, example its meaning, and maybe even draw a picture. This help you remember the words better. Teaching others is a powerful way to learn. One more tip is review words regularly. If you learn a new words today, review to tomorrow. Okay? So every day you can review. Today learn, review tomorrow. Whatever you learn, you can write, you can speak out loud. Okay? Review it again next week. Regular review help your brain remember the word for a long time. You can make a schedule for reviewing words. This will help you remember them better. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Okay friends, when you learn a new words, you might use it wrong the first. That is okay. Making mistake is part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. So, keep trying and don't give up, friends. No matter if you make mistake, just don't worry. You try. Okay? Let's go back to Tom's story. He learned a new words every day. He connected to words so something he knew. He learned words in a group. He taught a new words to his friends. He reviewed the words regularly. He wasn't afraid to make mistakes. He practiced every day. One day Tom was talking to his friend Sarah. He used many new words in their conversation. Sarah was surprised. She said, Tom, you have learned so many new words. How did you do it? How did you remember? Okay. So Tom smiled and said, I followed my teacher tips. I said the words out loud, wrote them down, made sentence, draw picture, use the words in daily life, read, listen, okay, connected the word to something. I knew learned word in group, okay, taught the words to my friends, reviewed the words regularly and practiced every day. Sarah was impressed. She decided to follow Tom's tips. Soon, she also started to remember new words easily. She was very happy. So, friends, if you want to remember words, so you can also follow these tips. These tips very helpful for you for remembering words. Okay, friends. Next is remembering learning. New words take time. Be patient. Okay, with yourself practice every day. Follow these tips soon. Okay, soon you will start to remember words better. You will be able to talk to people, read book and understand things better. Another way you remember words is to use technology also. These are many apps that can help you learn new words. These apps can make learning fun. You can play games, take quizzes, and track your process. Using apps can help you remember words better. Okay, friends. So these are tips very useful for you. If you are follow up, so you also learn new words. Also try to learn words that are interesting to you. If you are interested in sport, learn words related to sport. If you are like cooking, learn words related cooking. When you learn words that interested you, it is easier to remember them. Let's think about Tom again. He loved playing soccer. So he learned words related to soccer. He learned words like goal, team, player and match because he was interested in soccer. He found it easy to remember these words. Okay, so whatever you like, okay, which type you learn words. Tom also used app to learn new words. He played word game on his phone. He took quiz to test his knowledge. He tracked his progress and felt proud to himself. Using technology made learning fun for Tom. Remember to take breaks when you are learning new words. Your brain needs time to rest. If you study for too long time, so without break, it can be hard to remember the words. Take short break to relax. This will help your brain, okay, remember better. So, when you take a break, do something fun. You can go for a walk, listen to music, and play a game. After your break, go back to study, and you will find it easier remember the words. Tom also took a breaks when he was learning new words. He went to for walk, plays soccer and listening to music. When he went back to studying, he found it easier to remember the words. Another thing I will share you, another thing that can help is to stay positive. Sometimes learning new words can be hard, but if you stay positive and keep trying, you will succeed. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Okay, friends. Tom stayed positive. Even when he found it hard to remember new words, he believed in yourself. He kept trying and soon he started to remember and the word better. So, remember to reward yourself. When you learn new words, if you learn 5 new words, like give yourself a treat. You can have your favorite snack, watch a movie or do something whatever you like. Okay? So, rewarding yourself will make learning enjoyable. Tom rewarded himself when he learned new words. He treated himself to ice cream and watch his favorite movie and play his favorite game. This made learning fun for him. So, it is very important. Remembering learning new words is a journey. It takes a time and effort. But with practice and the right tips, you can do it. Follow these tips, stay positive and keep trying. Okay, you will succeed one day. After helpful tips is to use the word in different context. For example, if you learn the word happy, use it different sentence. You can say, I am happy today. The happy dog is playing, or she is happy with her new book. Use these word different sayings. Help your brain understand the remember better. Okay. So, if you are happy, you can say, I'm happy. I'm watching this video, I'm happy. I'm learning this video, I'm happy. So this is very useful for remember the words better. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like video, please do subscribe Smrita English Academy. Thank you for watching.